Hey everyone, so is Airtable not syncing your data properly? Maybe updates aren't appearing across devices, or the base just refuses to sync. That can be pretty frustrating when you're working with shared data or team projects. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Airtable sync problems in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, check your internet connection. Airtable relies on a stable connection to sync changes across devices and users. Next, refresh the base or reload the page. Sometimes Airtable just needs a quick refresh to pull the latest updates. If you're using synced tables or integrations, check the sync settings. Make sure the sync source is connected and the refresh schedule is active. Also check your permissions. If you only have view access, you may not be able to update or sync data. If you're using Airtable in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes prevent updates from appearing. If syncing still isn't working, check Airtable's server status. Sometimes the issue is on Airtable's side, and you may just need to wait until the service is restored. If you're using the Airtable desktop or mobile app, try restarting or updating it. Running the latest version often fixes syncing issues. And that's it. Most Airtable sync problems can be fixed by refreshing the base, checking permissions, clearing cache, or updating the app. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.